Hello, this is Starwalker. Divine Guidance has said that the energy of July 7th, 2023, which is the 777, will be a portal day for a new influx of higher consciousness energies for Mother Earth. There will be an opening of wells of receptivity on the planet. This is coming at a point of major receptivity for planet Earth and the myriad of receptive light beams that are already here, helping to facilitate this new level of conscious awakening. Energetic wells of receptivity have previously been implanted upon Mother Earth and have been waiting a long time to be activated at this moment in time. There are many of these wells of receptivity stationed around the planet, on the land, and in water. Wells of receptivity have a vertical open tube going down into Mother Earth, which receives and processes new ascension energies, which are disseminated out to the planet. It will be the start of a new titration process of incoming ascension energies. The purpose of titration is to change the intensity of the incoming ascension energies to best achieve a desired fifth dimensional rising of consciousness, while minimizing adverse side effects from these forces. This process is essentially adjusting the amount of energy input to best achieve maximum benefits for a more peaceful transition into higher ascension consciousness. This is based upon a personalization of the amount of energy each person can more easily handle without becoming overwhelmed. The result will be an easier assimilation of the energetic effects of the higher ascension vibrational frequencies of new light coming in, which will now flow with more ease and grace for the planet. How you can best receive the 777 new ascension energies. We ask you to tune in and be open to receiving the new incoming ascension energies on this special day. You will know when you have received these energies when you feel an awakening at the top of your crown chakra. If you can intuitively see energy, you may see a transparent U-shaped funnel above your crown chakra. The open part of the U will be facing upward in receiving mode for these new clear energies of light. The more you are in a relaxed state of being and acknowledging and feeling these clear light energies that are coming into your crown chakra, the easier the flow of receiving these energetic vibrations can be. We welcome transmission of this new energy and information that you are receiving. We are all returning to our predestined connection with the source of creation and oneness. With much love and light, so it is. This is Starwalker. Check out my website, wellness-energetic.com, which has information on metaphysics, ascension, earth healing, light body classes, and sacred geometry ascension tools. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. This is Starwalker.